Hello, friends and family of Grandma Auto Repair. We want you to know that we appreciate your support so much. Because of you, we are growing. And so today we have a huge request. In order for us to continue to provide the quality of service that you have grown to love and expect at Grandma Auto Repair, we are hiring. And we know that some of the best connections can be made through referrals. And that's why we're asking for your help. Right now, we are searching for an experienced automotive technician to add to our team. If you know someone who would love to join our fun, fast-paced, customer service, and family-oriented team, tell them about us. Share this video with them or tell them to check us out on our website. You can find a link in the description that will take you directly to the Join Our Team page on our website. We encourage anyone who is interested in joining our team to check us out on social media to see who we are, what we're all about, and the kind of service that we strive to provide to our local community. Thank you, friends and family, for helping us out. We hope that you all have a great day and a great week. We look forward to serving you or to serving with you. Bye.